Mlungisi, good afternoon. What a tragic incident, but please tell us what really happened here.
Well, it's a sad and tragic afternoon indeed. As I said earlier on, that at 2 a.m. this morning, 7 children were killed by a fire that engulfed through the male dormitory at the Parlock area. And the name of the orphanage is known as the Lake Haven orphanage. What you know also is that a few of them tried escaping through the window, were very successful in doing that, but unfortunately 8 met their demise, and this is when they died this morning.
Mlungisi, has the real cause of the fire been ascertained at this stage? What are the authorities saying in this regard?
Well, unfortunately, the authorities have not yet confirmed the cause of the fire. But what I can guarantee and assure you is telling you that the forensic team is there at the moment trying to investigate and ensuring that they found what really caused this fire. Also, what I can also tell you is that when we left the area this afternoon due to time, is that the new team was coming in to try and ponder for more clues and for more evidence as to what really happened and transpired. But for now, we can safely say that the cause of the fire is not known.
Mlungisi, what about the survivors? What's their condition? Do you know?
Well, the survivors were rushed into a near hospital, which is the SABC Heart Hospital. Their conditions now still remain the same: smoke inhalation, minor burns, and cuts as well. 4 of them remain in a critical conditions, but we've heard from the health department that they're looking after them, ensuring that they are healed in time as well.
We also hear that some family members are now coming forward. Have you spoken to any of them? What are they saying?
Well, the family members were very traumatized that we saw. Most of them could not basically talk to the media. That's how bad it was. Most of their loved ones were burnt beyond recognition, unfortunately. So they were briefed by the management of the orphanage, and when they came out, most of them basically went hysteric. They were very inconsolate and could not even talk to the media. So it's been a terrible tragedy for them, as most of them cannot even talk right now.
Mlungisi, now what will happen to the orphanage going forward? Do you know if government has shown any interest in terms of assisting?
Well, fortunately, the government, the mayor of Itsewini municipality, James Khumalo, went through to the orphanage today. He spoke to management to also brief the media, saying that they promised that they will do everything in their best to ensure that everything goes back to normality. But in terms of funerals and burials, they still said it's way too early to make those arrangements, but they did promise to help the orphanage. As we know that the orphanage is over 60 years old and has housed thousands of children since the day it was founded. So it's a very historical monument in Parlock, and it's also a very historical monument in Itsewini. But as we know, the municipality has reached out to the orphanage as well as the community. When we left there, they were coming in trips and numbers, assisting them, bringing in blankets as well as food.
Thank you so much for that update. Mlungisi Khumalo on the line to us from Durban.